We do it naturally when we say this phrase. Oh my God, what a coincidence. But see, we're not paying attention. We just open up our mouth and blurt it out. Oh my God, what a coincidence. But if you would stop before you were going to say it, good morning, Pookie. If you stop before you said it, the moment you recognize that the thing you had within, you are now looking at it. It was invisible, but now you looking at it. You said, girl, I was just about to call you. You were thinking of them, but there was a mood attached. I was thinking about you, girl. I was just gonna say, man, we should go out and do something. Get out. I was thinking the same thing. What a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. It is you who held something inside that was invisible, and now you are interacting with it. But if I ask you to do it again, you'll be like, please, that was just a one-off thing. That doesn't happen for real. You do not have faith in what you just did because you haven't practiced it enough to see that it is, because you keep thinking it is something willy-nilly. But if you deliberately held something in mind, when you were thinking about that person to call them, it came up from somewhere, did it not? You were like, I'm finna call this person. Why? Were you excited to share something with them? Were you upset about something? What is it that drove you to think about calling them? That is what you look at, because that's what you bring up. Because what is it? It is the trigger. It's the thing that made you think about them.